What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Standard Back Square Photography, bringing you back another video. Ha! Now, today, look who we have back.
It's me, Nicole.
She is back
at it again.
Back at it again. She is here back with us again, guys. We're going to do a little bit of night photography, as you can see, night portraits. We are now using this nice Sutefoto. Guys, I did a video on this about probably, I don't know, a few months ago about the Sutefoto. So we're going to use it here, nice LED, to get this nice night portraits of Nicole. She is now in the fitted dress. Of course, you know my style. Got the fitted dress. You know she's going to come in some tennis shoes. She's going to put on the outfit there. So, Nicole, you got anything else you want to say to the folks?
Nothing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
All right. Hope you guys enjoy, guys. Let's go ahead and get to work in. Of course, if you want to work with our stuff, it's going to be in the description. My logos would have popped on the screen by now. So let's get to work, man. Let's get to work. Now you made it in the video. I really hope you enjoyed the work that Nicole and I just put in for you. Now, Nicole, how did you enjoy the night portraits?
Honestly, they came out so much better than the daylight portraits.
Oh,
Yeah.
she is. Oh.
And the lights over here.
Oh, she just said I didn't do a good job during the daytime. That's basically she just shots fired.
I kept liking them as the day went by. I kept liking them.
Shots fired on me, guys. That means I didn't do a good job.
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. You know, I was obsessed since the first pictures that you were taking of me.
Okay. Okay.
I love them all.
Shots fired.
I love them all. No,
Shots fired.
I love them all.
Shots fired. Yeah, guys, I hope y'all really enjoyed these photos, really, guys, especially right here. I really like this little area. As you can see right there, I know you can't see it, but that tall black street light right there. And some of those photos you can see, I actually used it as a hair light, and it really kind of gave her a nice illumination because I used the 105 to kind of compress everything and actually gave her the good hair light, just using that by using her body to block that and actually give her a nice little background light to kind of illuminate. Those are actually my favorite photos that I like just because I was able to do that. Even though I have more lights over here that I could have set up and had a body. Like, I didn't want to do all that, to be honest with you guys. I really didn't want to. But of course, with the Sutefoto, guys, I really hope y'all go out and buy this thing. Like I said, I did a video on this thing a long time ago. Absolutely love this light. Great for night portraits, guys. And yeah. Nico, anything else you want to say?
I'm gonna need one for myself.
She gonna need one for herself.
No, these are one of the best pictures that somebody has ever taken of me.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
She's very, very welcome, guys. All right, guys.
No, I'm really happy with how they came out. No, I'm so.
She's really happy. All right, guys. And of course, if you want to work with all stuff, it's gonna be that description box below. So it would have popped on the screen by now. And if you like my work, please consider yourself subscribing to my channel. Until the next video, go.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.
Peace. 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 Peace.